My name is Nathakit Kun Alirat.
My name is Napat Keltip.
My name is Benapon Suyananot.
My name is Thanakit Pinikon.
Today we are going to present our project about fire alarm
And
Smoke detector.
yeah! Woo!
It is the equipment and device that we use in our circuit.
LM358 MQ2 sensor, resistor, thermistor, small buzzer, connecting wires, mini breadboard, and the last 9V battery.
Okay, here's our circuit about fire alarm and smoke detector. We use the sensor MQ2. We show picture right here, connect with thermistor. The picture we show right here, and connect with buzzer. The sensor MQ2, there are 3 wires, T wires, D0, ground, and VCC. The ground connect to the negative. VCC connect directly to battery 9V, and sensor connect with thermistor and connect with buzzer. The D0 wire connect with 10 kilo ohm resistor and connect to transistor with E connect to the ground, and output C connect to the buzzer. The buzzer connect with 330 ohm resistor and connect to 9V battery. When they work, thermistor, when the heat up, the thermistor will send a signal to the buzzer and make the sound. Moreover, when the sensor got the smoke or humidity is increased, it will send the signal through the DOI to the buzzer, and the buzzer will make a sound.
As you can see, we light the lighter to the thermistor and it will activate the buzzer, so the sound is come.
And we release the gas to the MQ2 to activate the smoke alarm.